Now, you are new to foreign exchange market, you're new to the FX market, and you want to know how you can get involved in the foreign exchange market. These are the few steps that you need to take in order for you to get involved in the foreign exchange market so that you can be able to buy and sell digital assets, like buy and sell digital currencies, pairs, commodities, metals, and other things, other tradable instruments within the foreign exchange market. Now, this is a trend. I could say it's a trend. Many young people are joining in the foreign exchange market trading, and then they are benefiting from it, and I don't see a reason why you should not be involved in the foreign exchange market, because it is the most fluid market. It has a lot of liquidity, which is traded every single day. The currency market is traded up to a volume of about $6.5 trillion, which is enough money to make you rich, even if you got just a very tiny percentage of that money. So you ask a question, how do I get involved? Where do I start? If you are a beginner trader, this is where you need to start. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to get a brokerage account. I'll show you guys that on my computer later on in the video, but the steps you need to get a brokerage account. You need to sign up with a foreign exchange broker. Now, what is a broker? A broker is an intermediate between you and the market. Okay, it is a go-between you and the market. When you deposit your money in the forex broker, it's like a bank. When you deposit your money there, what happens is that the broker then takes your money and puts it in a separate account that is not on the broker's account. That is if it's a genuine broker, because there are some scam brokers who put your money in their own account. But a real good broker gets your money, puts it in the company account, which is regulated. Okay, then in doing that, what happens is that the broker will then allow you to make transactions, buy and sell in the foreign exchange market by connecting your orders to the market. Okay, connecting your orders to the liquidity providers within the market, so that you can be able to buy and sell. For example, if you want to buy gold or sell gold, or buy Euro USD or sell Euro USD, the broker is the go between you and the market. Okay, because you can't get your money and then you go in the market and sell it. It's very difficult for you to get people to sell to or buy from. So the broker is that person who is between you and the buyer or the seller. Okay, so you need a broker account. I'll give you guys a broker that I recommend later on in the video that I've used, and they're very, very good. I've never had issues with them. So you need to first sign up with a broker. After you've signed up with a broker, you can get your account where you can deposit your money. After you've verified yourself, you can be able to deposit your money or withdraw your money from the broker. Then you will also need to get trading applications like MT4, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 is the older version of MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is the newer, advanced version of the trading software. That I'll also show you how you can and where you can get it from the Play Store or the Apple Store. Okay, you download those applications on your phone or onto your computer. If you have a laptop or a PC, you can download them. Then after you've downloaded them, set them up and log into your trading account which you've got from your broker. And then after you've done that, you are ready to go. Now, in this next segment, I would like to take you guys onto my computer. Then I'll show you guys how to go about setting up or getting a broker account, and then also the other things that you need. I'll complete them on the other side. So without taking any longer, let me ask you guys to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it with your friends if you found value with it. If you've not understood something, leave a comment down below and I'll be able to come back and explain it more with you. Now, also do join the free Telegram channel that is in the description. I've left the link in the description. Join the Telegram channel so that you don't miss any of the content that I'll be posting out for you guys. So let's go onto my computer screen and I'll guide you guys on the steps that you need to take in order to finish the setups for your brokerage account and other steps that you need to start trading Forex as a beginner. So let's go right now. So guys, we are here on my computer desk. I am going to go onto the computer screen just to show you guys the steps on the computer screen. But just to go through again, what you need to start trading Forex is you need to have a brokerage account. And after you've opened up a brokerage account, what you need to do is you go onto the Play Store or Apple Store, and then you download the trading apps. I'll show you guys that later on, but right now let's go on to my computer screen and I show you what to do and where to go in order for you to be able to sign up with a broker. So let's go on to my computer screen right now. So guys, I want you guys to go onto Google or any search engine that you use. Go to Google or any search engine that you use to search or browse the internet. Then I want you to type in the word Exness, or if you can't type in the word Exness, or you don't want to go through this whole process, I just realize it now that I have a link, a partner link that I have in the description of this video. You can skip this entire process of going to Google or using a search engine to search by just going in the description of this video, and then you click onto the broker that I recommend. Click on that link and it will take you directly to Exness. Okay, so when you click on that link, it will take you to the Exness page where you can be able to sign up with Exness. Exness is the broker that I do recommend to use because I have not had any issues with Exness. Depositing, withdrawing your money, it is just completely hassle-free. You don't get any problems with Exness. I've had some brokers before who've been not good enough in terms of withdrawal and deposits. They delay, they give excuses and all that, but I've never had that issue with Exness. So you'll be on this page right here on Exness. This is where you will land. Okay, what you will do if you land on this page, you will click on open account, or if you use my link, if you open up that link which is in the description down below, what you will see is this kind of page. On this page, what you want to do is you want to come here, you see here, click on open account. Here is on the opening page is where you can be able to see some of the things that are offered by Exness. Trading, you can look at the types of accounts that are there, but what you want to do, you want to start with a standard account. Okay, just start with a standard account. Okay, open up a standard account with them, but they have different accounts. You can have professional accounts, zero spread accounts, and the good thing, the beauty about using Exness is that you will get zero swaps. You don't get swap fees on your overnight trades. Okay, and they also charge very small commissions, very small commissions. Just in case you're trading a large volumes, you're charged very small commissions. So it's really good trading with Exness. I've not seen any broker which actually does offer these same things as Exness, right? So yeah, so here you want to come to platforms, and then you have the Exness trading app which you can download on your mobile phone. Just search it on App Store or Play Store. Then there's the Exness terminal, which is their in-house terminal which they use for trading. Then they have MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. You can just search MetaTrader 5 on your Android phone or on your Apple device. Go to the Play Store or App Store and search for that exact word, MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Or you can just type in MT4 or MT5 and you'll be able to download these apps onto your mobile phone. Or you can just click on MetaTrader mobile. That is if you are browsing on a phone. Now, after you downloaded these platforms, you will come to your personal area. So once you have opened up an account, you will have a page like this, which is your personal area. Here you can choose to become a partner and introduce people to Exness, and you'll earn some small commission. Like if you join with my link, I'll get a small commission. Here you'll be able to see your real accounts, your demo accounts, and your archived accounts. Okay, so here we have the real accounts. Here I'm going to blur them out because of your privacy, but you'll have your accounts here, and then when you click on these three dotted lines, you will be able to check the account information right here, okay, where you will have your server name and your login details, okay, your login details, which you will be able to use to log in to your MT4 or MT5. Okay, so after you've gone through the Exness, what I want you guys to do is just go to after you've signed up with Exness and you've downloaded those apps, what I want you guys to do is just go to your YouTube app, come to your YouTube app, and then go onto my channel. Go onto my channel and then go to the category sections. Search for the trading strategies, okay? Trading strategies that are price action based and also based on some indicators. Those strategies are really good for beginner traders. They will help you to be able to start to earn as you learn, okay? Earn as you learn. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you will be able to find strategies on there. Just go onto the home page of my YouTube channel, then go onto the categories and search the categories which involve price action strategies, and then you start to learn how to trade on the demo account that you've got from Exness. Then when you're ready to trade with live funds, you can deposit on your Exness, then you can start to practice how to trade and also trade with a live account. Thank you guys for watching. I didn't want to make the video too long. Thank you for watching. If you've not understood anything, just give me a comment down below and I'll come back and explain to you more. You can also DM me on Instagram, or you can join the Telegram channel where I share insights into trading. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace out.